Hi friends, this is Shinu Balachandran and we are discussing the computer fundamentals second part, and our website is mainstreamacademy.in. It is very much useful for IBPS, bank, various insurance examination, Kerala PSC and others. So the first computer architecture was introduced by Sir John von Neumann, was called the father of modern computers. Was called the father of modern computers. The father of computers was called Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage. Father of computers. It's father of modern computer. And the computer architecture is mainly divided into three parts. They are central processing unit, CPU, input unit and output unit. So the central processing unit, it is the brain or heart of the computer. It is brain or heart of the computer. It controls all the part of the computer. It controls all the part of the computer, and it do the processing, and it transforms raw data into useful information. And central processing unit has three parts. They are Arithmetic and Logic Unit ALU, Memory Unit and Control Unit. So let us discuss Arithmetic and Logical Unit. And the Arithmetic and Logical Unit do mathematical calculation like arithmetic and logical operations. It is where the actual processing take place. In the Arithmetic and Logical Unit where actual processing take place. And Arithmetic and Logical Unit has a large number of registers. So let us discuss what you mean by registers. It is special high-speed storage area within the CPU, and all the data must be stored in a register before it can be processed by the CPU. And what do you mean by data buffer? It's a region of physical memory storage used to temporarily store data while it is being moved from one place to another. It's a region of physical memory storage used to temporarily store data. Used to temporarily store data while it is moved from while the data is moved from one place to another. It controls control unit. Let's discuss control unit. It controls and coordinates the processing of data inside the computers. And the control unit fetch, to decode and execute instructions that are stored in the memory. And the process of carrying commands is generally termed as execution. It's termed as execution. And it helps in the flow of data between CPU and other devices. Input unit, it accepts data and instructions from the user, and it translates the information into the form understandable by the computers. Example of input are keyboard, mouse, there is scanners, optical mark reader, mic, web camera, joysticks, trackball, etc. And output unit, it accepts processed data from CPU and gives result to user. It translates the computer output into the form understandable by the users. For example, monitors, printers, speakers, etc. And peripherals, the device that provides input or output to the computer, are called peripherals. And the motherboard is the main circuit board found in computers. It is the main circuit board found in the computers. And motherboard contains many important components of the computer, such as CPU, memory, expansion slots, etc. And motherboard is the backbone of the computer. It's the backbone of the computer. A bus is a set of wires that transfers data between components inside a computer. Components inside motherboard communicate each other with the help of bus. So there are two types of computer bus. They are internal bus and external bus. What is internal bus? It connects all the internal components of a computer such as CPU and memory to the motherboard. And what do you mean by external bus? It connects different external devices such as expansion slots, peripheral to the rest of the computers. And the computer process or microprocessor is a silicon chip which contains the CPU. And please beware that the microprocessor and the CPU can be used interchangeably. And the first commercially available microprocessor is Intel 4004. SMPS is called switch mode power supply. SMPS is an electronic power supply that incorporates a switching regulator to convert electrical power efficiently. So friends, thank you for the time being. We will see in the next video. And please subscribe to our channel or like the videos, comments, share our video in Facebook, etc. Please like us on the Facebook page, and our site is Facebook/Mainstream Academy. Okay friends, I am Shinu Barendran signing off now. Okay, thank you.